So it's holiday time. We are packing the bags ready for a 3-night cruise. We're starting in Sydney. We are going on the Carnival Adventure. And we leave Sydney Harbour, we go out into the ocean, then we come back, finishing in Sydney and then fly back home. It will be Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, come back Monday. So really I only need 4.5 days worth of outfits. So let's do a little packing video. I don't even know how to film a packing video, to be honest, but we're gonna just give it a go. So let's start off with day one's outfits. So this is just pretty much all the stuff I've gotten out the cupboard. Key point, it's an 80s themed cruise. So the things I'm choosing are 80s inspired. Mum did a bit of an online clothing haul to get a few bits and pieces, but then we've also just tried like utilizing what we already had at home. So I was thinking day one, so Thursday we're gonna fly to Sydney. I'll just wear whatever. But then Friday morning when we wake up in Sydney, that's when we are getting on the cruise. So I thought kind of just like a easy outfit that is kind of like not standy outy but still on theme. So I've got some red activewear. And then I got this top years ago and I've never been able to wear it because every time I wear it I feel like I'm a 80s dancer, I'm not sure, / space alien. So I thought that's kind of like a 80s inspired but not over the top. So I think I'm going to do that for getting on the ship. White headband, and I thought I could like have my hair down and curly. So that's kind of my inspo for day one. I've got the Lorna Jane like leather look. Well, they're not even leather, but they're just kind of shiny black tights. And then I've got a off the shoulder black bodysuit. So there's that to go underneath the leggings. And then just finish it off with a black leather jacket. Don't even know where this one was from. I think it was an old dance costume from years ago. So that's like day one, done. Day two, I'm thinking more of a casual look. I'm thinking the denim jacket, like a double denim look. So we'll go like the oversized denim jacket with the fluff. And then denim shorts. Wait, they're on the line. I'll be back. Okay, we're back with some additions. These are still a little bit wet, so they'll have to go back out on the line after. Let's hope I don't forget to repack them. Oh, just like a white plain bodysuit, singlet bodysuit for underneath the shorts. So it'll be like that, and then finish it off with the jacket. Bodysuit, I'm then gonna reuse on day three's casual outfit, which is these Cardi B / Reebok collab pants, which will be good. And that's really light, so it's just gonna fit in the case nicely. So that's day two and day three casual outfit. Then they need to go back on the line. Then day two nighttime theme is neon party. I think I'm gonna need some help on this one. I've got a neon top, and then I had like this neon skirt, but like it's the same color. So I feel like that's really intense. Otherwise I've got the green skirt, and this is winter. Oh, I'm gonna be cold. But again, most of the things are inside. Or I've got the green skirt, which is like, if I'm going for neon, I feel like this was neon-y, maybe. And then I can do the neon shoes. Look at the pink neon shoes. Oh, they don't really match. Then we've also got all these beads from online. Do I like, oh, they're long. This is Very 80s, layer them up. I don't know. The third nighttime themed party is your best 80s costume. So Mum got this like pink prom dress. I think I should actually try it on before I take it because I can't actually guarantee that this is gonna look any good. Maybe I'll do that now. Okay, well that's the dress. Better than I thought it was gonna be. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit ballet tutu-y. All right, so I've put all the accessories inside this little bag and then that can just neatly go in there, trying to save some space. I think that's all my outfits sorted. I'll put all my shoes in plastic bags. I think I've decided to go with a black heel for that leather rock and roll look on the first night. But I'll put all my shoes in bags and that will go in this side. I always leave my hair and makeup and like creams until the morning of, so I won't pack them, but literally what I use in the morning, I know that that's just my usual routine, so I just put them, as soon as I use it, I just put it in the case. A few other random bits and pieces that I like to pack. Let's bring these on over. A lanyard with a pouch so that you can put your cruise card in it. This was like, for example, our Disney one that we had, so you just pop that in there and you can wear it around, easy to find, or you can like have it in your pocket or whatever. So we'll take a lanyard each. Something else that we find really handy are the magnetic hooks. So if you want to hang your towel from the wall, if you want to hang an outfit up, if you're like letting your face cloth dry, things like this, you just stick it on the cabin wall or your stateroom wall. Some USA to Australia power adapters, even a Europe one. I think this is an American ship, so we'll probably just take our American port, plug it into the wall, and then you can use all your charging there. Carnival Australia allows you to bring on 12 canned soft drinks per person onto the ship. But Carnival Australia don't allow any bottled beverages. So bottled water or bottled soft drinks will have to stay home. We can't pack those ones. Can't go wrong with some Cadbury Twirls. These new breakaways, I'm absolutely in love with them. They taste so good. So of course we have to pack in some sneaky snacks. And then we also just pack lots of random things like sunscreen. We like to take our own hand wash. Sometimes I find that the soap bars, they're just a bit gross. Some hand wipes or surface wipes just to clean over things. You never know when you're going to get caught out with sticky hands at the buffet or something like that. So I like to pack some of them. Also like to take an itinerary book with printouts of everything we're going to need. That always stays in our carry-on luggage. A few other random things we like to pack, some band-aids. You never know when your cruise outfit shoe selection is going to cause a problem and you might end up with a few blisters. Hopefully that's the worst of the situation where you would need a band-aid. We like to take a phone charger and a spare one because you can never find them in your luggage. So it's nice to have one in each bag. And then you know that you'll always be able to find one close. Even though we're going on a local cruise that is staying within Australia, we have got our passports for ID, but you could use your own form of ID like a driver's license or something similar. All right, so I've popped all of these cans and bottles in a Ziploc plastic bag. Carry-on is packed, got some books, some snacks, all of that is in there. Shoes are in the suitcase, so I think we are ready to go for tonight. Last minute things like makeup, hairbrush, pillow, all those things I'll put in tomorrow. But I think I'm done for the night. We'll see you in our next video, which will be our travel day to Sydney, flying with Jetstar, 80s cruise time. Cannot wait. Until next time, we'll catch you on the roundabout.